Your visions for the world are not coming from random things that you see on the media. Your vision is coming from what inspiration guides you to do.
You really have to go to dialogue with your mind in a very specific way.
All behavior is belief driven. What you believe is possible, what you believe you're capable of, what you believe you deserve.
There are more than 2,000 people here.
Your children will be the singular human who will provoke you and awaken you.
That's how everyone should live life, free and happy.
And because you're here, it says something about your spirit. It says something about your soul. Right? Yes, yes?
Thank you.